In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your images glow in Canva. So to create this glow effect, what we're going to do is just create a new design. And then from here, click on uploads in the left-hand side. And then you'll need to upload the images or objects that you want to make glow. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to use this person here. I'm going to show you how to make this glow. So the first thing we need to do is remove the background from our images or objects. Now, if you've got Canva Pro, you can simply select the image like so and click on this BG remover, and that will automatically remove the background from your image. Now, if you don't have Canva Pro, it doesn't matter. What you can do is head over to an internet browser and just search for background remover online and click on this website here, which is remove.bg. And then what you can do is just upload your image to this website and it will let you download your image without the background. So once you've done that, just click back on uploads from this left-hand side and go and upload your image without the background. Now, once you have this transparent image, what we're going to do is right click on it and select duplicate, and then you should now have two copies of your transparent image. So what we're going to do is just click on any of these images, click on edit in the top navigation, scroll down to effects and click on duotone, and then you just need to select the type of color that you want to apply for this glow. In this demonstration, I'm going to be using this amber color, but you can use any of these, it's absolutely fine. Once you've selected your color, come back out of this window. Underneath effects, click on blur, and then select whole image, and we're going to increase the intensity up until about 50%. Once you've done this, close out of this window, and then you simply need to drag the image with the effect on top of the image without the effect. Now we need to click on position and select backward, and then as you can see in the background, we now have this orange glow effect. So what you can do is just select both of these images now, and you can reposition this on the screen. You can also group the images together as well, just so we can select them easily. And then what we can do as well is apply a background to our design as well. And it's really as simple as that, guys. That's how you create this glow effect in Canva. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.